This year, we learned to be teachers, hairdressers, and bakers. We learned just how many meetings could just be a call, and that being a tourist in your own city isn't so bad after all. Exploring the world no longer requires leaving the couch. But while we learned technology can replace a great many things, we also learned there is one it can't: being together. We learned that a virtual drink just doesn't have the same flavor, that being there will always mean something different when it means actually being there, and that our big days should be shared, not streamed. We learned some jobs are still best done in person, and that there is no substitute for a hug. When you fly again, fly for what truly matters. KLM, we can never replace together.